So today we will talk about robots. So when you think about the robot, you could visualize about the robot with the picture of machine like human beings with arms, fingers, or also the brains, so the face. But not all of the case have this. Robots actually is a machine, so not all robots look like human beings at all. Like machines, myriad and most of robots was developed is look like for the machine. So let's discuss about the industrial robots used in this industry, which is where look like the machine specialize in the work they activate in it. So they do work like physical demand or repairments or something that there is dangerous activities or some boring work that people not don't need to do. Or and here robots have the ability of working on the same in simply line in a factory. For examples like putting leaves, jams on the fruit or the stable for shipping. In a car factory, the robots have missions of unassembling the line when joining the parts of car together by tapping the bolts of the car wheels and hit the car. Thousands of robots put the car together in the same line of the pants and with the precise where to repeat the task. Tapping bolts with the same amount of force has been raised by the robots. Robots have the capabilities to managing exact heavy things to exact and precise hole to locate it in where it should be. Always put in a hole exact same or playing the place in every car door hour after hour. For example, robots do things or activities that humans couldn't do efficiently or precisely, such as put in a hole, moving the exact heavy things in the precise locations, or put every card in the card draw precisely. Well, how does this robot work? So the robot has a control system in the brain, and by direct the robot will have the mechanical parts to in the brain, and the way to move is do action to need to do by guidance by humans. The humans will handheld computers to guide the robots to the motions robot need to do. Next, robots store the exact motion in their memories and has the sense to gather information that contribute to this motion. As a result, they use the direct action to tell us and moving parts of the body what to do. After that, they perform the actions like picking the box. The first one is finding where the box. The second is decide the weight of the box. Additionally, they decide and calculate what amount of blocks is needed to locate to put and lift it out. And finally, they correct the place put down. This process is repeated until this are turned off or until a new job is developed or new programs is raised and available in the brains of robots. The future has been realized about robots will be smarter than today's. They can look more like the human beings or animals, or they can work and think like humans. So far, that's the belief is Actually, rely reality in automatic robots is programmed to follow specific series of movements. They can contain and manage and also combine myriad parts of the moves while not the travel around, when it's travel around, but also change the behaviors with relations to the surroundings. For example, autonomous robots have the wheels. When they move around, they can change their direction when have the sense of something in this way, such as an obstacle, or HFA can detect the movements of people nearing them by avoid the pumping items to someone to come to it. Or another robots can have the abilities of learning to dance by following movement of a dancer next to them. If people welcome to the autonomous, let's think about the robots in the role of the teacher, doctor, engineer, or anyone. And so, can think about robots can play a big pivotal in being a friend,